found we have found surface area of the tunnel. Now this surface area we have to paint. The cost of per meter painting. So we write the painting cost. Yes. No. First we do the cost of painting. The cost of painting. The cost of painting per meter square is how much? 5 rupees. No. The cost of painting per meter square is 5 rupees. So what is the total cost of painting? That will be surface. So total cost of painting. This is first one. Total cost of painting. Total cost of painting. Total cost of painting will be surface area multiplied by 1 minute. एक मिनट. The total yes. Total cost of painting is surface area multiplied by 5 rupees. So surface area is 408 multiplied by 5 rupees. How much? Multiply for 2040 rupees. So that is rupees 2040 rupees. 2040 rupees is the total. 2040 is the total cost of painting. Second part. Yes. Total cost of painting is over. 1 minute. Now. No, not third sum. First part is over. Total cost of painting is over. Now this is the tunnel. This is 7 meter. The tunnel is 40 meter long. So I am just drawing this tunnel. Long means this much. The tunnel is 40 meter long. So this is 40 meter long and 40 meter long. And this is 7. Draw this diagram. This is the base, or this is the floor. This is the floor of the tunnel. Which is 40 meter long and 7 meter wide. Yes. So now we find. Now see here. The floor of the tunnel. Wait, no. The floor. No. See, the floor of. First you listen. The floor of the tunnel is rectangular shape. The floor of the tunnel. The floor of the. The floor of the tunnel is rectangular shape. So we write the floor of the tunnel. The floor of the tunnel is rectangular shape. With dimensions. Dimensions means length and breadth. With length 40 meter and breadth is 7 meter. So now we find area of this. Floor. Yes. So what is area of the floor? Tell me. Yes. Area of the floor is length into breadth. So length into breadth, that is 40 meter. 40 meter into 7 meter, that is 280 meter square is the area. Correct? 280 meter square is the area. This is my area. This is area of the floor. Wait. This floor, we have to pave the tiles. So what will be total cost? No. Sum is not over. This is area of the floor. This area of the floor we have to pave the tiles. So cost of per meter square is, what is cost of per meter square? Yes. So we write cost of per meter square, cost of per meter square of, cost of, yes, cost of per meter square of paving is how much rupees cost per meter square is 18, is 18. So what is total cost of paving the floor? Total, yes, total cost of paving the floor, yes, 280 into 18. Total cost of paving the floor, total cost of paving floor, paving means we have to put the tile on that, paving floor is 280 into rupees 18. How much that is? 5040 rupees is the total cost of paving. 5040 rupees is the total cost of paving. 504, yes, fourth and fifth, wait, no, yes, ask. Half marks will be right. Now fourth and fifth they are same, so you try to understand. If you understand, no, I am not giving homework, I am just explaining. And fourth and fifth type of problems you will find in 10th. Fourth and fifth type of problems you will find. Yes, I am, yes, I am going to do it, do not worry. The water is discharged from a pipe. Now this is the pipe, this is the pipe, the water is discharged, the water flows from this pipe. Now this is my cross section, area, the water is discharged from the pipe of cross section 3.2 centimeter square. So cross section, this is my cross section, this round one is 3.2 centimeter square. The cross section area is 3.2 centimeter square, and the speed of the water is 5 meter per second through this pipe. Yes, cross section means where the solid is perpendicular to the base. Now see, this is the cross section. If you see the pipe, that round part, yes. If you see the cross section, that round side of that pipe is nothing but it is the cross section. Now through this pipe the water flows. Through this pipe the water flows. The speed of the water is given. How much? 5 meter per second. Through this pipe the water flows 5 meter per second. Through this pipe the water flows 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Now it is asked, calculate the volume of the water discharge. Calculate the volume of the water discharge. Calculate the volume of the water discharge through this pipe. Calculate the volume of the water discharge through this pipe. First it is per centimeter cube. First we have to calculate per centimeter cube. So now what we do, see here first. No, wait. See here. So area of cross section of pipe, area of cross section of pipe is 3.2 centimeter square, and speed of the water, one minute. रौनक रौनक ओ रौनक मम्मी का फोन लगा दे, किसी का फोन आ रहा है, फोन बाहर हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम बहुत आ रहा है। भेजू लिंक, रौनक लिंक भेजू, दिमाग खराब।
आपको ही एडमिट करना पड़ेगा पर।
हाँ हाँ करता हूँ। बच्चे लोग भी उधर लोग।
पापा ने मुझे बच्चे लोग को दिखा दिया। हाँ?
ज्वाइन करते हैं, जल्दी खोल के ज्वाइन करो।
हाँ हाँ आई एम देयर, अरे भाई आई एम देयर, One minute, one minute.
हॉटस्पॉट ले लो, मैंने नेट की तरफ।
one minute. हाँ yes. हाँ 1 minute, I am there, do not worry. Area of cross section of the pipe. Yes. Please do not present anything. हाँ, now you can see the board. Yes. You can see the board. Yes or no? Yes, all of you can see the board now. Malo, do not present. Malo, do not present anything. Yes, Charati, do not present. Please do not present anything. Now all of you can see the board. Yes. Okay. 1 minute. Area of cross section of the pipe is 3.2. Area of cross section of the pipe is 3.2 centimeter. Through this pipe, the water flows at the speed of 5 meter per second. Speed of water is 5 meter per second. Yes. Speed of water is, all of you can hear me? Speed of water is 5 meter per second. This meter we have to convert into centimeter. This meter we have to convert into centimeter because the unit should be same. So we multiply by 100. So this 5 becomes 5 into 100. Because this meter we have to convert into centimeter now. This meter we have to convert into centimeter. So we write centimeter per second. So we multiply by 100. So this becomes, speed of the water becomes 500 centimeter per second. This is speed of the water. Speed of water is 500 centimeter per second. Is it clear? Speed of water is 500 centimeter per second. Now how much water will flow in 1 second, that we have to calculate. So water discharge, centimeter I have written, no, this meter I have converted into centimeter. Now water discharge in 1 second, water discharge in 1 second. Now see how much flow of water will be there. See here, this cross section multiplied by the speed. This cross section multiplied by the speed will be the water discharge in 1 second. Is it clear? This cross section, no, see here, cross section, how much was, that is the speed of the water. But how much water, what is the quantity of the water discharged in 1 second, that will be the cross section. The cross section of the pipe multiplied by speed of the water. That will be cross section of the pipe, cross section of pipe multiplied by speed of the water. And why see here, water discharge in 1 second. So all my units are in second. Speed of the water is centimeter per second. Is it clear? So now this water discharge in 1 second will be cross section. This cross section multiplied by the speed. What is the speed of the water per second? What is the speed of the water per second? That we multiply to the cross section. Whatever is the cross section, that much flow of water will be there in that pipe. So what is cross section of the pipe? 3.2 centimeter square. We'll see now. Into 500 centimeter per second. Yes. So multiply 3.2 into 500. Multiply 1600. See here. When we write water discharge in 1 second, then this second we don't write. This second we don't write because we have already written in 1 second. So this second we don't write. Centimeter per second is same as 1 second. So when we write speed of the water, we write 500 centimeter per second. When we write speed of water in 1 second, that will be 500 centimeter. So multiply 500 into 3.2. How much that is? 1600 centimeter. 1600 centimeter cube of water is discharged in 1 second. So first part is over. Yes, first part is over. Water discharged in 1 second is 600 centimeter cube of water. Now what is asked further? What is the volume of water in liter per minute? Yes. Now we'll see. We'll see the second part. So this logic you remember. What is the logic? Volume of water discharged through this pipe will be nothing but cross section area of the pipe multiplied by the speed. Yes. Yes. Now we have calculated the volume of the water in 1 second. It is what is asked? Calculate the volume of the water in liter. Calculate the volume of the water in liter per minute. So now first I will calculate in 1 minute. First I will calculate the volume of water discharged in 1 minute. So now second part. Now see, as we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes or no? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So now we write volume of water discharge in 1 minute. Yes. In 1 second, how much that is? 1600 centimeter cube into 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and in 1 second how much water is there? 1600 centimeter cube of water is there in 1 second. So in 60 seconds how much water multiplied by 60? So calculate that. 96,000. Yes. So that is 96,000 centimeter cube. So volume of water in 1 minute is 96,000 centimeter cube. Now it is asked, what is the volume of water in liter? Is it clear? So this is volume of water in centimeter cube. Now we have to convert. So we write volume of water in liter, volume of water in liter per minute will be 96,000, yes, divide by, yes, 96,000 divided by 1 liter. In 1 liter, so I will divide this by which number? Because the units are centimeter cube. So for that centimeter cube, we take milliliter. 1 liter, how many milliliter is there? 1000. So divide by 1000. It will be, so 96 liter. See, for centimeter we take milliliter. So 96,000 centimeter cube of water flows through that pipe. When you want to convert this 96,000 centimeter cube into liter, for centimeter we consider milliliter. So in 1 liter, how many milliliter is there? 1000. So divide by 1000, you will get liter. So in 1 minute, how much water is discharged? 96 liter. 96 liter of water is discharged through this pipe in 1 minute. So this, yes. So this note you write somewhere. That 1 liter. See here. This note you write, and remember 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Even though you have studied in 3rd standard, I have to revise. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So this is 96,000 centimeter cube. To convert this into liter, we divide by 1000. So we get 96 liter. So what was the basic idea in this? The volume of water discharged through the pipe is nothing but cross section area multiplied by the speed of the water. What is volume of water? The volume of water discharged through the pipe will be nothing but cross section area multiplied by speed of the water. You will get that, I will tell you afterwards, because in this there is exercise number 21C also. So now let us, this type of problems are important, because this type of problems again you are going to visit in 10th standard also. Cross section area. In this pipe, you have seen the cross section area. That round part is the cross section area. That cross section area, we multiplied by the speed, we get the volume of the water discharged. Now fifth one is same. Fifth one doing the same, because 4th and 5th type of problems are important. A hose pipe of cross section area 2 centimeter square. Same logic is applied. A hose pipe of cross section area. We'll see now. We'll see. The cross section, a hose pipe of cross section area is given. This area is given. Cross section area is given. That is 2 centimeter square. 2 centimeter square is the cross section area. This is cross section area. 2 centimeter square. Delivers 1500 liters of water in 5 minutes. So the volume of the water in 5 minutes is given. That is 1500 liter. 1 minute. The volume of the water in 5 minutes is given 1500. What is the speed of water in meter per second? So now we have to find the speed of the water. You have to find the speed of the water in meter per second. You have to find the speed of the water. Earlier the speed was given. It was what is the volume of the water. So same logic we apply. Same logic we apply. So we write area of cross section. Area of cross section. Area of cross section is 2 centimeter per square. Area of cross section is 2 centimeter per square. Speed of the water is not given. So we write let speed of the water be x. Let speed of the water be x. Yes, what you will write? What you will write? X meter per second. X meter per second. Because the answer is asked in meter per second. So, but this meter, see, 1 unit is in centimeter. 1 unit is in centimeter. Are you getting? Other unit is in meter. So this meter you have to convert into centimeter. This meter you have to convert into centimeter. My dear, this unit is given, yes, because both the units should be same. This is given in centimeter. In the question it is asked what is speed of the water per meter second. So this per meter second, this meter I have to convert into centimeter, so we multiply by 100. So x into 100 we write centimeter per second. When we multiply by, yes, see, they have asked in meter per second, but to do the calculation we must have the same unit, no? Cross section area is given in centimeter. Our speed is given, our speed we have considered in meter. So so let us convert this meter into centimeter so that you will get the same unit centimeter, and at the last we convert that into meter. So that will be 100x centimeter per second. So speed of water, nobody will present, please. Speed of water is 100x centimeter per second. So now we find water discharge in 1 second. Yes, what will be water discharge in 1 second? Tell me. Which logic we have applied? We have seen, no? Yes. What will be the water discharge? Yes. Water discharge in 1 second will be formula, no? Yes. So area, we write water discharge in 1 second. Water discharge in 1 second. Water discharge in 1 second. First we are calculating about second. Will be area of cross section. Area of cross section. Area of cross section multiplied by speed. Speed of water. Speed of water. So area of cross section is 2 centimeter square multiplied by speed of water. What is speed of water? 100x. Board is blurred. 1. It is clear, right? Yes. Now it is clear. Yes. 2 centimeter square into 100x centimeter. So when we write 1 second, then this second we don't write. Per second is same as 1 second. So only we write 100x centimeter. Yes. So this water discharge in 1 second. Water discharge in 1 second. Water discharge in 1 second is 200x centimeter cube. What is blood? Wait. It is clear. Yes. Water. Now it is not clear because in my mobile it is. No. Wait. No. 2 minutes. 2 minutes or more. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Board is clear? Yes, board is clear? No, in my mobile it is showing very much clear. Okay, okay. Chalo. 1 minute is left. Let us see the next period. Bye, bye, bye.